Alright, so this is part 2 for the Going to California guitar part 2. So we're at measure 51. And the best thing to do is to play up in 10th position. Sort of 9th, 10th position. I think about 10th position. So first finger is above 10th fret here. And I play this B on the second string, 12th fret. I'm sorry, it's with my 4th finger. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now you could do this elsewhere. You could do this in 7th position. I like it up here because we're coming from these high chords, and then you just have to go. One thing you just have to watch, not getting any buzz, and sometimes the intonation up here can be, not as precise as it is a little bit lower. But then this takes us into now this part, I, D, going up to F sharp, 2, 3, F sharp A on 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. So that brings us into 56, where you have 3 measures of rest. And then let's see here. We have some more rest. Measure 67 then. We got a harmony with part 1. Now this section is really big. You want to bring this out. A little syncopated too. So we're in 7th position here. C, B, 8th, 7th, and 7th fret. Then I reach with my 4th finger to the A at 10th fret of the 2nd string. 1 and 2 and 4 and 2 and. Now these rhythms are really tricky, but you want them to line up really well with part 1. So if you have to write out the rhythms, count them. If you can say it, you can play it. So definitely sit down and take some time saying it. 1 and 2 and 4 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 4 and 2 and 3, 4. And then you slide up to a G. Now I use my 2nd finger for that G on the 2nd string. Alright, then measure 72 through 80 we're resting. This part gets kind of soft. Then we come back to some harmonics, kind of similar to the beginning, but we have some different notes here. So we have a D, which I use my 4th finger, 4th string. Then we go to an A, 7th fret of 4th string. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we continue that up through the end of the piece. Now it's going to get softer, and it's pretty soft this whole time. And what you want to do is watch the conductor, because it's going to be slowing down at 87, and then there's a fermata over your A, and then you'll just hit a high A. Just real soft. And you'll kind of have to watch for the conductor to spot you on the A there, which is at measure 89. And that is all of guitar part 2.